Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ghostage problem on your VIVO X300. So first, if you got a screen protector just like me, and if you got a case, then I recommend you guys removing it, and let me tell you why. If you have a custom made case that is not made by the VIVO company, then that might cause issues, because whenever it's touching even a tiny part of the screen, as you guys can see, let me quickly hold my finger here, and now I cannot do anything with this finger. As you guys can see, it was because I was holding this finger right here, but now I cannot do anything on the screen. And basically that's what can cause the ghost touches, because the phone may think that you're doing something, and for example, you have a ghost touch right here, then you will just open up the camera over and over. So whenever you try to leave, sometimes you can just open a camera, or whenever you're in a keyboard overlay, then you'll simply click on the search button. So now moving on to the screen protector, if it's a poor quality screen protector, if it's not original or 100% made for your phone, then that might be the issue. Sometimes if they're poor quality or they misaligned, then that can already cause the ghost touches to appear. So we definitely do not want that. Now, as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any touch glitches. So click on the settings, and now we need to scroll all the way down until we see system update. Here it will check for the software updates automatically. As you guys can see, I have the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, as it can fix a lot, including the ghostage problems. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, protection in the comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.